Hello everyone. In today's recipe, I will be showing you how to make crunchy and delicious corn sticks. I am Rosie and you are welcome to my kitchen. Here is the cornmeal that I will be using. I'm using white and yellow cornmeal. You can use either one. In a bowl, I will add in 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 1 cup of white cornmeal. Right here, I have salt, sugar, dried cayenne pepper, and the pepper is optional. Add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. It doesn't need to be very sweet. Mix everything together until it's nicely combined. And that is done. In a pot, add hot water. Add the dry ingredients. Mix until everything comes together. And once that is nicely mixed, take out the spatula. Add some water. Cover and I will transfer it to the stove top to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. So this is 10 minutes later. Stir until you get like a stretchy dough, and the consistency should be just like swallow. Once it's nicely mixed, then take out the spatula and turn off the stove. Transfer the corn dough to a bowl. Cover so it doesn't dry out and leave it to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes so it's easy to work with. And this is 5 minutes later, and it's time to start rolling out the corn dough. So here is my work surface. Cut some dough like so and roll out the corn dough. Corn sticks are also known as Kokoro. These snacks are very delicious and very crunchy. And kids love these snacks. When I was a kid, I loved these snacks a lot and I always make them for my kids. So it should look like so. Then cut some of the dough just a little bit like this and roll out the dough. I'm going to repeat this process until I am done with all of the corn dough, and the end of the rolled one should be a little bit pointing like so. So just cut some dough like so. Depending on the length you're going for, you can make it very long or just in the middle, just like I am rolling out these ones. Like so. Right here, I have everything nicely rolled out and they are ready to be fried. In a pan, add some oil. and leave the oil to heat up. So I'll be using a skewer to check if the oil is hot. Once you see bubbles around the skewer, that means the oil is hot. You can also drop one to know if the oil is hot. So add the corn sticks inside the oil, and we are going to be frying on medium heat until the corn sticks are golden brown. Do not overcrowd the oil. Stir to separate them. From time to time, keep stirring so they don't stick together or get burnt. Once they are golden brown, that means they are ready. Take them out of the oil, and I'll transfer the corn stick to a paper towel to take out any excess oil. And I will repeat the process with the rest of the corn sticks, and I'm frying on medium heat. So once they are inside the oil, go ahead and stir them like so. And I'll leave them to fry until they are golden brown, and keep stirring from time to time. So once they are golden brown, take them out of the oil, and the corn sticks are ready. And once everything is out of the oil, be sure to off the stove. Here are the corn sticks ready. You can have corn sticks any time of the day. Thank you so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.